Hello students, welcome to Shifan Nurul Global Academy online classes, and this is your chemistry session. Today we are going to discuss about topic from organic chemistry called amines. Okay, the unit number 13. So first amines na enna paakalam. So amines are the derivatives of ammonia. Okay, so ammonia la irundhu kedaikக்கூடிய ஒரு product தான் amines அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Okay va. So what is ammonia? See here, this is the molecular formula of ammonia, NH3. Okay, so in ammonia nitrogen and it has a 3 hydrogen atoms are present here. So nitrogen is a central element in the molecule. So it has a trigonal pyramidal structure. So this is the it has a trigonal pyramidal structure. Okay, it has one lone pair. So amines எப்படி கிடைக்கும் அப்படினா by the replacement of 1 or 2 or 3 hydrogens from ammonia. So அம்மோனியால இருந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஹைட்ரஜனை ரீப்ளேஸ் பண்ணும்போது நமக்கு ஒரு அமீன் மாலிக்யூல்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். Okay, amines are may be classified as primary, secondary and tertiary amines. Okay, so based on number of alkyl or aryl groups attached இருக்கிறத பொறுத்து இந்த amines ஓட types வந்து different. Okay, if only one amines, அதாவது only one alkyl groups are replaced by here, so in the structure is called a primary amine. If two alkyl groups are replaced by hydrogen, it produces secondary amine. If 3 hydrogens are replaced 3 hydrogens, it called tertiary amines. Okay, see here. Okay, see here, first is ammonia, NH3. Next I am going to write NH2. One of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group. It's generally indicated by R group. Okay, R it indicates alkyl group. Okay, so next NHR2. See here, number of 2 hydrogens. Okay, 2 hydrogens are replaced by 2 alkyl groups. Okay, 2 alkyl groups are replaced. Then third type NR3. Okay, see here, all the 3 hydrogen atoms are replaced by 3 alkyl groups. Okay, so first one is ammonia, second one is called a primary amine. Okay, it is called a primary. First one is ammonia, second one is primary amine. So primary is 1 dot. Okay, it's a primary 1 degree அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. Okay, primary amine. And this one it is a secondary amine, and this one it is called a tertiary amine. Okay, so it's a classification of amines. Okay, this is known as classifications of amines. Okay, so primary amines, tertiary amines and secondary and tertiary amines. So in the classification எதை பேஸ் பண்ணுது அப்படினா number of R group replaced. Okay va. So in the 3 hydrogens la one hydrogen is replaced by 1 R group. Here 2 R groups are occupied the hydrogen position here, and see here 3 hydrogens are occupied the nitrogen place. Okay, so இதுக்கான examples வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படினா, so primary amine, see here CH3 NH2. Okay, so what is the name? It is a methyl. Okay, it is a methyl group and amine. Okay, its name is methylamine. Okay, see here, this is an example, CH3 NH2, sorry, CH3 NHCH3. Okay, see here, there are 2 methyls. Okay, there are 2 methyl atoms are present here, so it is known as, it is a dimethyl. Okay, dimethylamine. Okay, it is a dimethyl amine, and tertiary amine is CH3 NCH3 CH3. Okay, so this is a tertiary amine or trimethyl amine. Okay, so first one is an example for primary amine. Why? Because only one hydrogen is replaced by only one methyl group. Okay, so this is a methylamine and it's an example of primary amine. Then second is a dimethylamine. Okay, so see here, two hydrogen atoms are replaced by two methyl groups. Okay, there are two methyl groups are replace the hydrogen's position. So it is called a dimethylamine. Then third one is trimethylamine. In trimethylamine, there are all the three hydrogens are replaced by methyl. Okay, methyl groups. Okay. Then next we are going to discuss about nomenclature of amines. In common system, an aliphatic amine is named by prefixing alkyl group to amine. Alkyl amine as one word is called a methylamine. In secondary and tertiary amines, when two or more groups are the same, the prefix di or tri is appended before the name of alkyl group. Okay. In IUPAC system, primary amines are named as alkanamines. Okay. See here. So alkanamines. Okay. So generally நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம் IUPAC systemல first ஒரு carbon, okay, single carbon மட்டும் attach ஆயிருந்தா என்ன சொல்றோம், it's a meth. Okay, two carbons, it is a eth. Three carbon, it's called a pro. Four carbon is called a but. Okay, five carbon, it's called a pent. Okay, then it is a alkane means we have to add ANE. ANE. Okay, so ANE. What is the name? So one carbon system means it's known as methane. Methane. Two carbon, ethane. Three carbon is called propane. Four carbon, butane. And five carbon system is called pentane. Okay. Now, so methane rules, it's a molecular formula. It's a CH4. It's a molecular formula of methane. Now, we are going to replace one of the hydrogen. Okay, so it's a CH3. If CH3 is then slow, it is a methyl group in general. Okay, methyl group, and it's going to add to the amine NH2. Okay, so it is a primary amine. So IUPAC name கொடுக்கும்போது என்ன சொல்றாங்க, alkane plus amine. Okay, so first we have to write the alkane's name, then followed by amine's name. Okay, see here, this is only one carbon is present here. So it is a methane plus amine. Okay, so methane plus amine. So according to the IUPAC rule, we have to cancel out the E. Okay, methane இருக்கக்கூடிய last இருக்கக்கூடிய E வந்து நம்ம cancel strike out பண்ணிட்டு remaining இருக்கக்கூடிய name join பண்ணிடலாம். So this is the IUPAC name for this compound. It's known as methanamine. Okay, methanamine is the IUPAC name for this compound, and this is a primary amine. Okay, then next, see here, I am going to discuss the next example. CH3, CH2, NH2. Okay, see here, number of carbons, it's two carbon system. Carbon has a single bond, so it is a alkane. Okay, so two carbon means it is a E plus carbon has a single bond, so it is a ANE, alkane. Okay, then what is, it is an amine. Okay, functional group is amine. So write the name like this, ethane plus amine. Okay, then strike out E from alkane, then join the name ethanamine. Okay, ethanamine. Okay, so this is a IUPAC name for this compound. Then one more example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, CH3, NH2. Okay, NH2. What is the name for this compound? See here, number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbons are present here. 5 carbons means it's a pent. Okay, pent plus all the carbon has a single bonds. Carbon has a single bonds only, so it is a alkane system. Okay, so A and E we have to add. Then what is the functional group here? Here is amine is the functional group. Okay, plus amine. Plus amine. Before going to add the name, okay, so see the position of amines. See the position of amine is, see here, always we have to give numbering from two sides, 1 2 3 4 5, this one kind of numbering. Then another numbering is 1 2 3 4 5, there are two kind of numbering. Okay va? So functional group க்கு நம்ம எப்பவுமே என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படினா, which one is the lowest, okay, which one is the lowest order, அந்த ஆர்டருக்கு நம்ம functional group கொடுக்கணும். Now see here from this side, okay, from right to left means the functional group is present in the second carbon. When you are moving left to right means the functional group present in the fourth carbon. So which one is the lowest numbering side? This side. Okay, left to right. So we have to select this numbering. Okay, but because the functional group is present in the second position itself. Okay, so we have to select this one. Okay, left to right to left. So what is the position of functional group? Second. Okay, so what is the name? It's a pent ANE plus 2 amine. Okay, so strike off E from the name and add the name. So it is a pentan 2 amine. Okay, pentan 2 amine. So what is it? Which type of amine is? It's a primary or secondary or tertiary? See here, this is a primary amine. Okay, see here, why? Because only one hydrogen is replaced by this group. Okay, so that this is a primary amine type. Primary amine type. Okay, so இது வரைக்கும் நம்ம பார்த்தது எல்லாமே அப்படினா only single amine groups மட்டும் தான் present இருக்கு. Suppose double amine groups, two functional group வந்து ஒரு carbon chain ல present இருந்தா அப்போ நேமிங்ஸ் எப்படி கொடுக்கிறது அப்படி நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, in case more than one amino group is present at different position in the parent chain, their positions are specified by giving numbers to the carbon atoms bearing NH2 groups and suitable prefix such as tri, di, tetra, etc. is attached to the amine. Okay, the letter E of the suffix of the hydrocarbon part is retained. Okay, see here. Now I am going to take an example. CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Okay, so out of I am going to replace one amine here, NH2, and in another one amine here, NH2. Okay, so see here, number of amine functional group. How many amines are present here? 1, 2. There are 2 amine groups are present here. What is the name? See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbons are present here, so it is a pentan. Okay, then all the carbon have a single bond. Okay, so it is a alkane group, so ANE, pentane. Okay, plus what is the functional group present here? It is a amine. There are how many amines groups? There are 2 amines groups. Okay, if there are 2, 2 means in chemistry term we have to write di. It is a diamines. Okay, it's a diamine. Now next, the position of functional group. Okay, position of functional group, write the numbering 1 2 3 4 5. இது ஒரு numbering from left to right. Okay, then again right to left, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Okay, so there are 2 numbering systems இருக்கு. So நம்ம ஒன்னு left to right and another one right to left. இந்த 2 ல ஏதாவது ஒன்னு நம்ம select பண்ணணும். We have to select one. So according to the Isomeric rule, functional group has the lowest number. Okay, see here, 1 2 second position la ஒரு functional group இருக்கு. Okay, second position ஒரு functional group. So 2 and 3 4 5, 2, 5. Okay, first numbering is 2, 5. ரெண்டு position la functional group இருக்கு. Then if you move from right to left, in the first carbon has a functional group NH2. So 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and fourth carbon 1, comma 4. Okay, so among the two, which one is the lowest numbering? Yes, second one is the lowest numbering 1, comma 4. Okay, so we have to select this root. Okay, this root we have to select. The first root is cancelled. Now the position of functional group is 1, comma 4. So 1, comma 4 diamine. See here. So ஐயூபர் ரூல்ல என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா when two functional group present ஆயிருக்கும்போது alkane nameல இந்த e வந்து ரிட்டைன் ஆயிருக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. இந்த e நீங்க கேன்சல் பண்ணனும் அவசியம் இல்லை, நீங்க அப்படியே வச்சுக்கலாம் அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. ஓகே, so the name is pentane 1, pentane 1, 4 diamine. Okay, pentane 1, 4 diamine. Okay, see here, both amines are primary amines. This is also primary amine and this one also, it's a primary amine. And next example, CH3 CH2 CH CH CH3 NH2 NH2. Okay, see here, how many carbons in the parent chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 carbons in the straight parent chain. Okay, 5 carbons in the next one, it's a pentane. Why? Because all the carbon has a single bond, so it's a pentane. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So both side, this third and fourth position. Okay, see here, this is a third position. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா third positionல ஒரு functional group இருக்கு 3, 4. Okay, then அதுவே வந்து இந்த சைடு வந்தீங்க அப்படின்னா it is a 2, 3. 2, 3. There are two possibilities of numbering. First possibility is 3, 4 and second possibility is 2, 1. Okay, so 2, 3. 2, 3. So we have to select the lower numbering of functional group. So this is the lower numbering. So we have to select from this side. Okay. So it is a 2, 3. There are 2 amine groups. So it is a diamine. So what is the name? It's a pentane. Okay, again e நம்ம cross பண்ணல. Why? Because there are 2 functional groups are present here, so that's why we are not cancel out the e. Okay, so it's a 2, 3 diamine. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, so last time பார்த்ததுக்கும் இப்போ பார்த்த examples, what is the different? The position. Okay, the position of functional group is different. Okay, the position of this functional group different, but the molecular formula is same. Okay, they have a same molecular formula. So a chemical compound which have the same molecular formula but the different physical and chemical properties means it is known as isomers. Isomers. Okay, so next we are going to discuss about isomerism. Okay, the phenomenon isomerism. Okay, next we are going to discuss about isomerism. What do you mean by isomerism? A chemical compound which have same molecular formula but different chemical properties is known as isomers. Okay, it's known as isomer. The phenomenon is known as isomerism. Okay, so என்ன சொல்றாங்க அப்படின்னா ரெண்டு chemical compounds which have the same molecular formula. Okay, but different chemical properties in that is known as isomer. Isomers, there are two kind of types இருக்கு, two type of isomers. One is a structural isomerism and another one is known as stereoisomerism. Okay, so first one, structural isomerism. So structural isomerism. Okay. So what is the structural isomerism? A chemical compound which have the same molecular formula but which have different structural formula is known as structural isomerism. அதாவது ஒரு chemical compound which have the same molecular formula வந்து சேமா இருக்கும் but they are structurally different. Okay வா, structurally different இருந்தா அது என்ன structural isomerism சொல்லுவோம். So structural isomerism there are three main types இருக்கு. One is first type, it is known as chain isomerism, position isomerism, functional group isomerism. Functional group. Okay, there are three isomerism. First one is called chain isomerism, and second one is called position isomerism, and third one is called functional group isomerism. Okay. First, I am going to discuss with some basic examples for isomers. Okay, it will helps you understand the concept. Okay, first CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. What is the name for this compound? See here, there are 4 carbons are present here. So 4 carbons means it's a bute. All the carbon have a single bond. So it is a ane. So it is a butane. It is a N-butane. Okay, the chemical compound name is called N-butane. What is the molecular formula of the compound? See here, number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Number of hydrogens 3. 3 plus 2 5. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 3 10. Okay, C4 H10 is the molecular formula for this compound. Now CH3 CH CH3 CH3. Okay, so see here, what is the name for this compound? In straight chain or parallel chain, there are 3 carbons are present. 1, 2, 3. Now this methyl group is here called substituted carbon. Okay, it is a substituted group. It is a methyl substituted group. Okay, in straight chain, there are 3 carbons. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 carbons. So it is a pro. All carbon has a single bond. So propane. Okay, it is a propane. The substituted group it is present in the second position. Okay, second position is substituted. So it is a 2-methyl propane. In 2-methyl propane, what is the chemical formula? See here, what is the molecular formula? Number of carbons 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are present here. Hydrogens, number of hydrogens 3, 3, 3. 9 hydrogens, 9 plus 1, 10. Okay, see here, C4H10, C4H10. Okay, both the chemical compounds which are the same molecular formula, they have a same molecular formula C4H10, C4H10, but they have a different chemical, okay, different structural formula. See here, different structure. It is a linear one. Structure is linear or straight chain. Okay, it is a linear structure. But see here, one of the methyl group is a branched. Okay, this branched structure. It is a branched structure. Okay. So this is known as isomerism. Okay, a chemical compound which have the same molecular formula but different chemical properties. So see here, this is a butane and this is called 2-methyl propane. Butaneக்கும் propaneக்கும் chemical property என்ன இருக்கும்? Complete difference இருக்கும். Okay, they have a different chemical properties. So இப்படி இருக்குது என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க அப்படின்னா it is a isomers னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ நம்ம next we are going to discuss about amine based examples. Okay, amine based examples. See here, I am going to take an example. C4H11 C4H11N. Okay, so this is the chemical form, molecular formula. Okay, so this is the molecular formula of a chemical compound. So in the chemical compound என்னென்ன possible structure இருக்கு அப்படிங்கறத நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். Okay, so see here, first straight chain எப்பவுமே we have to start with the linear chain. So 1 2 3 4, there are 4 carbon system. And amine means it has a 2 hydrogens. Okay, so out of 11 2 remaining is the 9. Okay, so the terminal carbon has a CH3. Okay, so middle CH2, 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 CH and CH. Now count the number of hydrogens here. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11. Okay, number of carbon, 4 carbons, H, 11, nitrogen is 1. Okay, so this is known as what is the IUPAC name? 4 carbons means it is a butane plus amine. What is the position of amine? First position, 1. Okay, so only one functional group, amine is present. So strike out E and write the name. So it is a butane 1 amine. Okay, so butane 1 amine is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, so idoda isomeric form எப்படி இருக்குன்னு பார்க்கலாம் next. Okay, butane amine isomeric form CH. So first is a linear, so CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. Okay, so this is the linear structure. Okay, first one linear form. What is the name? It is a butane 1 amine. Okay, next see here 1, 2, 3 CH3 NH2. Okay, now fill the electrons, fill the hydrogens. CH3 1, 2, 3. Each carbon have a valence is 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's satisfied. See here 1, 2. Number of hydrogens is 3. Okay, so it is also satisfied. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now count the carbons, number of carbons. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there are 4 carbons are present here. So molecular formula C4. Then hydrogen 11. 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3, 6, 6, 1, 7. Okay, 7, 7 to 9, 9 to 11. Okay, number of nitrogens 1. Okay, what is the name for this compound? CH3, CH2, NH2, 1 method. So functional group is the first carbon. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So second position la or methyl group irukku. So it is a 2 methyl. Okay. 2 methyl. Then first position la amine. 2 methyl. Number of carbons is a 4 carbons. So 3 carbon. So propan 1 amine. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name for this compound. See here, first question, second and third. A numbering நம்ம இந்த பக்கத்துல கொடுக்கல ஏனா எப்பவுமே ஃபங்க்ஷனல் குரூப் நாம என்ன கொடுக்கணும் லோயர் நம்பரிங் கொடுக்கணும். Okay, so 1 2 3. This is a third position. Okay, so at the second position methyl group இருக்கு. We have to always give the name எழுதும்போது first priority என்ன கொடுக்கணும் substituted group first நம்ம எழுதணும். ஓகேவா? It is a 2 methyl propan 1 amine. And this is a primary amine type. Okay, so this is a primary amine type. Next we are going to discuss about இதே மாதிரி secondary amine அப்படினா எப்படின்னு பார்க்கலாம். See here, so this is one type and this one type. So they have same molecular formula or not? C4H11N. Okay, these two compounds have the same molecular formula but they have different structural formulas. Okay, so this is called isomerism. Next, we are going to discuss secondary and tertiary amines. Name for secondary and tertiary amines. Okay. To name secondary and tertiary amines, we use locant N to designate substituent attached to a nitrogen atom. For example, CH3NH, CH3 NH, CH2, CH3. Okay, see here what is the type of amine here. See a number of 2 hydrogens are replaced by 1 methyl group and 1 ethyl group. See here ஒரே ஒரு carbon தான் present ஆயிருக்கு. So it is a methyl. It's a methyl. There are 2 carbons are present here. So it is a ethyl. Okay, so ammonia la see here, this is ammonia. Ammonia ஒரு hydrogen replace ஆயிருந்தா அது primary amines சொல்லுவோம். So two hydrogens replace ஆயிருந்தா அது என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? It's a secondary amines அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். See here, NH மட்டும் தான் இருக்கு. அப்பனா two hydrogen it's replaced. Okay, replace ஆயிருக்கு. ஓகேவா? So it's a primary, it's a secondary amine. Okay, it's an example of secondary amines. So now secondary amines present ஆயிடும்போது என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படினா see here ரெண்டு சைடு நைட்ரஜனோட ரெண்டு சைடு பாத்தீங்கன்னா number of carbon, okay, number of carbon count பண்ணுங்க. See here this side only one carbon and this side there are two carbons are present. Okay, if one carbon is present here, so directly you have to take it's a methyl. Okay, methyl, n methyl, okay, n methyl, then this is known as alkane. There are two carbon means it's a 18, okay, amine. Okay, so this is the name for this compound, n methyl ethanamine is the IUPAC name. Okay va? So nitrogen oda rendu side பாருங்க, எந்த சைடு வந்து நம்பர் ஆஃப் கார்பனோட கவுண்ட் வந்து கம்மியா இருக்கோ அந்த சைடு என்ன பண்ணணும் அப்படினா நம்ம மெத்தில் அதாவது அல்கைல் குரூப்பா அத கன்சிடர் பண்ணனும். அல்கைல் இருக்கணும். See here, I am going to give another one example. உங்களுக்கு நல்லா புரியும் நினைக்கிறேன். CH3, CH2, NH, okay, NH, CH2, CH2, CH3. Okay, see here in this example, okay, this side number of carbon 2 carbons and this side there are 3 carbons are present. Okay, so இந்த ரெண்டு சைடுல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இந்த சைடு தான் நம்பர் ஆஃப் கார்பன் கவுண்ட்ஸ் வந்து ஹையா இருக்கு, இந்த சைடு வெரி 2 தான். ஓகே, this side very 2. So நம்ம என்ன பண்ணனும், இந்த சைட alkyl கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும். Okay, alkyl means there are two carbons, so it is an ethyl. Okay, ethyl group. Okay, now இந்த சைடு இருக்குது alkane கன்வர்ட் பண்ணனும், 3 carbon system, it's a propane. Okay, this is a propane. Name எழுதும்போது எப்படி எழுதணும்? So n first alkyl group எழுதுங்க, ethyl. Okay, n ethyl, propan amine, functional group is a propan, n ethyl propan amine. Okay, so this is the name. Okay, so this is an IUPAC name for these compounds. So up to now we are discuss பண்ணது எல்லாமே என்னது aliphatic amines. Okay, these are called aliphatic amines. Next we are going to discuss about aromatic amines. Okay, aromatic means, see here I am going to take an example. So what is the name for this compound? It is a benzene. Okay, now NH2 group வந்து ஆட் ஆயிருக்கு. Okay, NH2 group இந்த பொசிஷன்ல இருந்து ஆக்குபை ஆகுது அப்படினா benzene NH2. Now benzene plus amine, benzene plus amine. Now cancel E from this compound, it is a benzenamine. Benzenamine is the IUPAC name for this compound. What is the common name? It is a aniline is the common name. Okay, aniline is the common name for this compound. It's a primary or secondary or tertiary amine? It's a primary amine. Why? Because only one hydrogen is replaced by the phenyl group. Okay, so that's why it is a primary amine type. So it is a primary amine type. Next, give the IUPAC name for this compound. NH2. What is the functional group? Amine is the functional group. Okay, amine is the functional group. What is the position of amine here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so it is a position of functional group. So at the second position methyl is present here. Okay, it is a substituted group, so it is a 2-methyl. What is the name? It is a second position methyl group present here, so it is a 2-methyl and benzenamine. 2-methyl benzenamine. Okay, so this is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, 2-methyl benzenamine or 2-methyl aniline. Okay, and like this another name I am going to write here. Give the IUPAC name for this compound NH2 and Br. What is the name for this compound? It's a Br, bromo group, Br. Okay. Now, in first question, functional group is present. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And in the fourth question, bromine is present here. Okay. So it is a 4 bromo, 4 bromo benzenamine. Okay, 4 bromo benzenamine is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay, so what is type of amine? This is a primary amine. Okay, and this also it's a primary amine. Okay, next. What is the IUPAC name for this compound? Find the IUPAC name for this compound and find the types of amine. NHCH3. Okay. What is the type of amine? See here. So the straight line in the compound appeal. So I am writing is a phenyl NHCH3. In phenyls, there are how many carbons are present here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 carbons are present here. And this side only 1 carbon. So majority of carbon in the side is there. So in the side. Okay. So it is a alkane. This one is alkyl. Okay. So our name it is a N methyl. Okay. N methyl 6 carbon. So it is what is the system? It's a benzene. Okay. So N methyl benzenamine. Okay. N methyl benzenamine. This is the IUPAC name for this compound. Okay. So next one. See here which type of amine is? It's a secondary amine. Okay, type of amine it is a secondary amine. Why? Because there are 2 hydrogens are replaced by 1 phenyl group and 1 methyl group. Okay, 2 hydrogens are replaced by 1 phenyl and 1 methyl. So it is a secondary amine type. Okay. Next type. NCH3 CH3. Okay. What is the IUPAC name and what type of amine? What type of amine present in this compound? Okay. So first see here only nitrogen present. There is no hydrogen. All the 3 hydrogens are replaced by 1 phenyl group and 2 methyl group. Okay. So it's completely replaced. So type it's a tertiary amine. So amine type this is a tertiary amine. Now give the IUPAC name. So IUPAC name one side it's a phenyl group and another side nitrogen it's a CH3 methyl and another one methyl. So number of carbons 1 and this one is 6 carbons. In phenyl there are 6 carbons 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. So name this is alkane. Okay, it's a alkane. And this one is a methyl, alkyl. Okay, how many methyl groups are present? There are 2 methyl groups. Are present here. So name so N, N. Okay, N, N. It's a how many? There are 2. Okay, it's a dimethyl N, N dimethyl benzene. Okay. Benzene. What is the functional group? Amine is the functional group. So remove N, okay, and amine. Benzenamine. Okay, so benzenamine. So this is the IUPAC name for amines. It's a basic unit for amines. So in next we are going to discuss about preparation of amines. Okay, preparation of amines from various methods. First method is called reduction of nitro compounds and ammonolysis of alkyl halides and reduction of nitriles, reduction of amines. Okay, so thank you.